Be honest. How many alarms did you snooze this morning? 1, 2, or all 7 of them? Today, I'll show you a 5-second trick that wakes you up instantly. No coffee, no cold water, no nonsense. And the best part? This trick is backed by science and used by athletes, soldiers, and productivity coaches. Once you know it, you'll never need an alarm snooze again. You see, the moment your alarm rings, your brain tries to bargain. Just 5 more minutes. That's not laziness. It's your brain protecting comfort mode. But there's one simple way to hack it. It's called the 5-second rule, made famous by Robbins and proven by neuroscience. Here's what you do. As soon as your alarm rings, you count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move. Sit up, feet on the ground, stand up, no thinking, no delay. Why it works? Because you interrupt the comfort circuit before your brain talks you out of it. Let's try it right now. Alarm rings. Now 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up. Instantly, your body sends oxygen to the brain, and your focus wakes up. Do this for 3 mornings, and you'll literally rewire your habit. Bonus hacks that supercharge this trick. 1. Keep your phone 2 meters away from your bed, so you must stand to stop the alarm. 2. Drink a glass of water right after. Hydration, yes, energy. 3. Play your favorite hype song. Dopamine rush guaranteed. 4. Don't check social media for 15 minutes. Your brain needs peace, not chaos. I used to be that person who said, I'm just not a morning person. Now I wake up at 6 a.m. without caffeine, just using this 5-second rule. If I can do it, anyone can. Try it tomorrow morning and comment below "done" once you do. If it actually works for you, come back and tell others. And if you want more daily life hacks like this, hit subscribe. Because on How to Anything, I teach you how to do